How do you prepare for the heat this summer? If you are looking for a very compact yet efficient air conditioner, Wood's AC Milan is the ultimate solution for you. With the ability to function up to 43 degrees and fit all rooms up to 26 square meters, it is the best compact portable air conditioner to keep you cool and comfortable. It is energy efficient, has low noise operation, and is easy to move around, so that you can have coolness wherever you need it the most. Wood's AC Milan has been top tested, so you can feel confident in your choice. Don't suffer in the heat any longer. With the Wi-Fi function, you can start the unit from a distance and get a cool welcome when you get home. If you're looking for a compact AC, choose the Wood's AC Milan.